Okay, so today's job is the washer pump on the BMW, which I'm currently sat in. Isn't working, as far as I know, or so I'm being told. So if we stick the key in, that should be enough. So pressing the button for the washer, there's nothing coming through, even though the wipers go. I'm told, and I will check, that it's got fluid. So what does that mean? In order to change the washer fluid, the washer bottle's held in here and comes up and around like that. So we're going to have to remove this panel here, undo the bolt, let it down. The pump should be down around here somewhere, so we'll need to pull that out and replace it. So we will just check that there is water in there, and there's plenty of water. So we will chop the car, put it up and have a look behind. Okay, so this has come out. It had 3 pop things which are going to have to be replaced along here. One here, one here, here. Oh no, not there. There's one here which I didn't see to the end, and then there's one, this one here, or this one here, which is hidden. So this one down here is hidden back here under there, and it's really hard to get at, and that took me ages. So we're now going to pull this out. This looks like it's just held with the one bolt just here. This is the water. So we're going to pull that out next and have a look. Okay, so that came down quite easily. It caught a little bit on here, but just bend that out of the way and you're okay. So this car, we've only got the one pump. Here's our replacement part, which looks like it's the same. So we're going to now pop that out, and there we go, looks the same. So we're going to pop that out now and see that it's all working. Right, so the old pump is out, the new one's in place. We haven't tried it yet, but we'll stick the key in. Oh dear, I'm not hearing anything. Right, so I'm not hearing anything. That might mean I've got a problem with the electrics in there as well. Bum. Okay, so I'm in from the rain for a bit, having a think about this. So, first thing I need to do is test this. And I don't know if we can see in there, no we can't, but we've got positive and negative terminals. So I think I've got an old battery, not charged, so I'm going to connect a charge to the battery, and then I'll take a positive and negative lead from the battery to this and see if it pumps. If it does, then that means the pump is fine, and it must be the switch, I think. If it doesn't work, it could either be that the pump is gone, or that my setup doesn't work. But if it doesn't work, we'll try the other one, and if that also doesn't work, I'll assume it's the setup and think of a better setup. If that does work, then, and this one doesn't, oh well, then probably I just haven't got it connected properly. Yeah, okay. So that's what we're going to work through next. Okay, so here's my setup. Battery connected to a charger, connected to the power outlet. I've got the green negative to negative, and I don't know if I should have some water in there, but we're going to do the positive to positive. Let's get some light so I can see what I'm doing. Well, that's clearly trying to work. Let's see if I can get a better connection, see if it just keeps going. Okay, so nothing wrong with the pump. Right, so the problem is elsewhere. Useful. We're just testing the new one works as well. So, yeah, I think about the same as the previous one. So I'm going to assume the pump was good and the problem's elsewhere, so I'm going to put it back together. And then I'm going to go and read and look at YouTube and see what else the problem could be. Okay, so I realised when I was taking this out, you know, I would normally expect the water to come flooding out, and it wasn't. So I pulled the little valve in there that was in there out, got the water come. There's a filter connected to it. That filter was absolutely completely clogged up, so to the extent that no water could get through. So having fixed the filter, cleaned it out, I haven't got a key at the moment, so let's see if this works. No, it doesn't because no key, but I have tested it and it does work. So the problem here was in fact not the water pump at all, or the washer pump rather. The problem was that the filter was completely clogged, and if I never do this and I should, but I should have checked and listened first. The other thing I was doing is I was pressing the wrong button to get the washer, which is why I didn't hear it working, but there we are. So we're going to put it back together now and then fill it up with fluid for him. Okay, and here we have it all back together, except for I need to put these things, they each break every time you use them, in these three places here. So those are going in now. Oh, and I might just bang that. There's a little bump here which I might just bang straight again. And then we're done. Okay, I cannot work out how these go in actually. It's too big. This bit here is too big to fit through. The plastic should be on the outside, so I'm really a bit stuck. So I think I've got the wrong ones here. I think these ones are too big. It's in fairly securely, so I'm not going to bother to fit it. And we will discover if my son watches the videos, because he'll complain that I haven't done it. Okay, inside the car, oops. And there we go, perfect. Still needs a bit more fluid in there, but it's peeing down that side at the moment. I am absolutely sodden. Been working in my wets and I am covered. So we are going to stop there. Oh, wrong button again. We're going to stop there and we will fill it up later. Okay.